Welcome to AD Academy. The main motto of this channel is AI for Aam Janta. My name is Dr. Ayan Debnath. I am an IIT Delhi alumni and Fulbright Research Scholar at Harvard University. I have total 9+ years of experience in the field of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, generative AI. Let's watch this video. Welcome to my metaverse.
So let me summarize you the concept again. So this diagram is actually has been taken from the attention is all you need paper, which we have seen earlier, and this is a very deep level architecture. This is the actual architecture, but let us first understand in a very higher level or given or an overview. So here this architecture is the simplified version of that architecture. Okay, now we are doing an translation of English to a French. So the English sentence which we are giving is not understandable by the computer. So we have to convert the English word to some numbers, that is token IDs, which is called tokenizer. And these numbers has been then converted to a vector space, which is called contextual embedding. This high dimensional vector space will give you more understanding of the words or the context or the relevance, and then to understand that which word is positioned where in that sentence, for that we are doing positional embeddings. So these positional embeddings and the contextual embeddings are being passed to the encoder, and there are several encoders like that way. That is why it is called multi-headed self-attention. Multi-headed self-attention. Different set of encoders, which is actually called multi-headed self-attention, will try to extract different types of information from the sentences or the paragraphs, and then it converts all these things to a context vector, which has been passed to the decoder. Now in the decoder, what is happening, we have similarly the French sentences to do the training, which has been converted into first token ID, and then it has been converted into embeddings, that is positional embeddings and contextual embeddings. This has been passed to the decoder. Decoder will also has a self-attention layers, which will extract the information, and then it has been passed to another layer of self-attention models, where this context vector and these French vectors will come, and here the actual conversion will take place, and after that it goes to the feed forward network and it goes as an output, and in the output it has a linear layer where it flattens all the words in one vector, and then the softmax layers has been taking place to find out the conditional probability of which of the words is having likelihood to come as an output, and higher the values of the probability, higher the likelihood to come as an output, and thus in that way we are converting it to an French version. So this is an overview of the transformer. See you soon. If you like this video, then share with all of your friends and all of your data science enthusiast colleagues. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for other deeper videos into generative AI.